is anyone else like me and just tries to bring in as much as they can? Like, they just don't accept the fact that you can't bring every grocery in. Now, one, I'm on my phone, so I always am like confused on where to look there. And I'm stressed. This is my Christmas shop, and can I just tell you, oh my God, it's the 23rd and COLES was like a nightmare. It was like half an hour to park. It was just, yeah, insane. And there is a storm and my dog is stressed. So anyway, getting into my Christmas grocery haul. So I feel like this is usually, I guess, the biggest of the year for a lot of people, but for me it really wasn't. I always make a menu as well, basically for the week, so I'm not like buying things that I don't really need. However, there is a lot of things in here that I don't really need. Also, okay, so for meals, I have pizza. We do like wood fire pizzas. They're really good. I have all of this stuff already, so I didn't need to buy anything. Spaghetti bolognese, boiled veggies, which is basically I just do potatoes, broccoli and peas, boil them with a bit of Nuttelex butter. So good. Lentil dal, tacos, and like sausages, a barbecue, so sausages, salad, and garlic bread. This is my receipt of the day. Now I only saved $12.53. And today's total was $126.69. My last shop was like nearly $160, $70. So, oh my God, that was a lot. Anyway, so, cause lettuce. I get that a lot. These are actually so good. These COLES brand seed and grain brown rice crackers. So good on their own, so good with dips. But yeah, highly recommend. 2 broccolis and always a lot of bananas. If we don't eat them, I love that you can just freeze them, or you can like, I don't know, what else can you do? Banana bread, things like that. I got bread. I love the Helga's Light Rye. That's what I usually will get. We needed paper towels, so just COLES brand paper towels. Toothpaste. I don't really have like a preference. This is just a Colgate cavity one. Okay, so I was weirdly vibing getting drinks. I'm not really a drink person. We were given a bottle of gin for Christmas off one of our like trades that we work with through our work. And I'm like, gin and tonic is such a thing. So I bought tonic water to try it. So we'll see how that goes. I got a Coke, no sugar. I really don't buy soft drinks, so it's weird. This caught my eye. It's peanut and caramel swirl bulla ice cream. Sounded great, so I'm like, I will try that. Tin of tomatoes, tin of lentils. If you guys have seen my videos before, you know, lots of tins. Tomatoes, coconut milk. This is the best sauce, pasta sauce you can buy. Not only does it taste great, but it's also quite clean if you are watching what you're eating. Lentils. Oh, the packages are like getting a bit soggy. Spinach, what is this? Spinach, ricotta, and feta rolls. These are like vegetarian sausage rolls basically, and they are so yum. And then I saw these Festive gingerbread with caramel ripple ice creams. I thought, it's Christmas, let's do it. I bought these meaty gourmet sausages, the classic barbecue. They are actually like a vegan sausage. They're really good. I've had them before. And on sale for $1.20. The Queen's sugar-free maple syrup was also on sale, so grab that. Pink lemonade, no sugar. I didn't know they did this, so I was excited. I ummed and ahed, then I was like, yeah, just get it. Chili beans. Again, if you watch my channel, I love those. I saw this, so it's Schweppes lemonade, zero sugar soda syrup. We have a soda stream, and I thought, let's try that. I got Vegemite and cheese shapes. They're definitely one of my favorites. Quick oats. I got lots of junky food, to be honest. Just some Band-Aids, we needed those. Chicken crimpies, OG and the best. Then I got honey soy chicken chips. Very not a healthy shop. Black Forest. This is so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. Packet of potatoes. I got this for our dogs just to mix up their food because, I mean, they have the same thing all the time, which is a bit boring. Then we have carrots, again for the dogs, but I also use them in like cooking. And the Coles brand garlic bread, which is always great. Then I got, of course, fruit mince pies. It's Christmas, although I've had literally so many. 2 tomatoes. I always get the Trust tomatoes. I just find them like, I don't know, I really like them. Nice flavor. 2 packets of croissants. My husband keeps on talking about like going to his family's house on Christmas morning and having croissants. I don't know if that's happening, but now I've heard it so much, I'm like, I need to eat a croissant. French onion dip, and I got this Club cheddar vintage cheese. I haven't tried this before. I usually get the Mersey Valley one, which is really good, but I thought I'd try that. A red onion, an avocado, some pasta, garam masala spice for lentil dal. It's actually really good. I got some pink lady apples, and these for spaghetti. They're like a vegan meatball. They're actually, I think they're okay. I had them a while ago, but I think they're okay. More chili beans, brown onions, and last item is just dishwashing tablets. So that is my Christmas shop, which I don't think you can see. So all there. It's really bad camera skills and our house is an absolute mess. But that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how your Christmas shop went. Is it or was it as hectic as mine was and super, super busy? Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas if you are celebrating, of course. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.